Welcome to the Math Record. Today I'll be covering the ICTM 2021 Division AA Algebra 2, which I'll be answering questions 5, 7, and 14. In the next video, I'll answer questions 17, 18, and 20. As usual, here are all 20 questions before we start if you want to answer these by yourself. And I'll provide all the answers at the end of the video as usual. Okay, let's begin with number 5. So the digits 3, 4, 5, and 6 are used to form 24 4-digit positive integers. Each digit is used once in each integer. If the integers are listed in increasing order, determine the 13th number in the list. So I noticed that 24 divided by 2 is 12, so the 13th is just the first one after 12. So after halfway, we're looking for that first number. So halfway is what we start with a 5 because 3/4, so 5 is afterwards. So that's our first digit. Now the 13th would be with the 5, but the smallest one of the 5. So that will be with 3, 4, and 6 in that order, because that's the smallest for with the 5. And that's our answer for question 5. So it just takes a little bit of logic. Okay, number 7. Determine the value of x divided by y when 2 times log x minus 2y equals log x plus log y. Okay, so basically, let's write this down first. X minus 2y equals log x plus log y. So I noticed log x plus log y is going to give us log x times y, which is not what we want. We want x minus x divided by y. So we're going to minus log y minus 2 log y on both sides. So then this will give us log x minus log y, because log y minus 2 log y is minus log y. And this will give us log x divided by y, which is what we're looking for. Now in this case, we would take out the 2 and then do it later. So then log x minus 2y divided by y. So that's x divided by y, and then negative 2y divided by y is minus 2. So we have x divided by y minus 2, and then we have 2 in front. So we have log x minus x divided by y minus 2 squared is equal to log xy. So we could just replace xy with something like a. So then we could rewrite this equation as equal to a minus 2 squared is equal to just a. Basically, just get rid of the logs because they're the same thing. So in this case, those would be a squared minus 4a plus 4 equals a. And that will give us a squared minus 5a plus 4 equals 0. So that will give us a minus 1 and a minus 4 equals 0. So that means a equals 1 or a equals 4. As usual for logs, only one of them works. So we just need to determine which one. Remember, a is just equal to x divided by y. So let's move this up so we can do some math. So a equals 1 would just mean x equals y. Or when a equals 4, that would be x equals 4y. So if we plug this into the equation, we have 2 log, let's say x equals y. So then y minus 2y equals negative y, which equals to log y plus log y. So these are different signs. But the reason it works is because negative y squared equals y squared. And then log y plus log y is y squared. So that's the reason why it works. But it sometimes might not work because this is negative and these are positive. So one of them are not going to be able to be possible. So that means this answer is not possible. So that means A cannot work. A equals 1 cannot work. So let's check if A equals 4 works. So in this case, x equals 4y, so that's 2. So 4y minus 2y equals 2y. And then we have log of 4y plus log of y, which definitely works if all of them are positive. So this is a possible answer. So 7 equals 4. Or the answer is 7 equals 4. Okay, now let's go to question 14. Determine the number of ordered pairs of the integers x, y that satisfy x squared plus 4y, 4 plus 4x plus y squared equals 9. So let's write this as a circle. So x plus 2 squared So they give us x squared plus 4x plus 4 and then plus y squared. So this is an extra 4, so 9 plus 4 equals 13. So this is the same equation, just written in the circle form. So the only points that make this 13 if it's 2 squared or plus 3 squared, because that's 4 plus 9, so that's 13. Or you could just have positive and negative versions of this, so -2 and -3, or -2, 3, or 2, -3. Or you could switch the order around and say 3, 2, -3, 2, 3, -2, and -3, -2. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 possible combinations. So our answer is 8 ordered pairs. Okay, but it's not exactly these numbers. You're going to have to substitute them into this. So for example, if the pair was 3, -2, that means this has become 3, so x equals 1, and y is -2 in this case. And but it doesn't really matter because you're just looking for the number of ordered pairs, not what they specifically are. And that's all the questions for this video. In the next video, I'll cover questions 17, 18, and 20. And as promised, here are all answers for all 20 questions. Thanks for watching.